Guys, so I'm back here with another video. This video I'm pretty much going to show you how I personally curl my hair. The wand that I am using is at about a 3-inch wand, and I pretty much start from the front of my face and I curl away from my face, because if you do it the opposite way, towards the end your curls will be looking a little funny. So always remember to curl away from your face. And then I just pretty much leave it there for about 15-20 seconds. Don't leave it there too long, because then you'll end up burning your hair.
Now I know what I have
Then when I get to the back, you want to just grab a little piece of hair and just make sure that when you are curling your hair, these wands get really hot. So just be careful you don't burn yourself. And then I just continue to keep doing all the way to the front. And then when you get to the opposite side, you always remember you're curling away from your face.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love?
Next section, now that I am done, I grab my fingers and I run them through my hair, and I just shake my hair to get the curls out of it being so tight. And that is just pretty much how I curl my hair. I hope that you guys liked it. If you guys did, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.